Okay, so we are doing enlargement. I went ahead and did the first activity. You, in the activity, we were given the center of enlargement, COE, center of enlargement, and we were given the object. The activity says that enlarge using a scale factor of 2 from the COE, center of enlargement, marked asterisk. So asterisk is there. And so this is the object. So I enlarge the object, and this is what I get as the final, the image. The scale factor is 2, which means the size of the image will be 2 times the size of the object. So here are some things you need to know. When the scale factor is greater than 1, both the object and the image would be on the same side of the center of enlargement. Both of them is on the right hand side of the center of enlargement. And this is when the scale factor is greater than 1. So sometimes you'll see in the textbook greater than 1. K is greater than 1. Now, here is proof that it is 2 times. You can look at it this way. From A to B is 2 centimeter or 2 grids, while A prime to B prime, you have 4 grids. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So 4 is 2 times the 2 here. Look at the side from A to D. We have 1 box, 2 box, 3. So if the image is supposed to be 2 times, then it should be 3 times 2. So here we go, 1 box, 2 box, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how did I plot this? There are various ways to look at it. Some persons draw a line from the center of enlargement to the object, and it measures, here it measures 3.25. So therefore, you'd have to measure until you get 6.5, because 3.25 times 2, which is a scale factor, give us 6.5. So we notice that from the center of enlargement to the object is 3.25, and from the center of enlargement again to the image is twice the length. So you need to know that, because that is like a property, that the image is twice further away from the center of enlargement in this case, because the scale factor is 2. So if the scale factor was 3, then the image would be 3 times away from the center of enlargement. So this is 3.25, and this is 6.5. Same thing here. When I measure from the center of enlargement to C, it measures 4.4 centimeter. But to C prime, from the center of enlargement to C prime, it's 8.8. And I'm stressing all of this because you need to recognize that both of them are being compared from the center of enlargement. If this is 2 meters away from the center of enlargement, then this image will be 4 meters away from the center of enlargement. Also, if you want to, so for example, we were given both of them. To find the scale factor, you'll put the length of the image divided by the length of the object. So the length of the image, you choose one side, and this is 4. 4 over 2, if you write it like a fraction, 4 over 2, then this will give you 2. So the scale factor would be 2. So here now, here's an activity where we have the center of enlargement here, and the object is here. And the instruction said that the scale factor is 2 from the center of enlargement. Here is a way how I do it. I'm not going to use a ruler. I'm going to use X and Y axis. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is 4, I'm going to label it P, Q, R. So if this is 4, then count another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be P prime. So from the center of enlargement, you should get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do the same thing for Q. From the center of enlargement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count another 6. From the Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here, Q prime is here. Now look at the tricky part now for R. I go across and then up. 1, 2, 3, 4 going up. 1, 2, 3 going, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 going across. 1, 2, 3 going up. We do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4 going across. 1, 2, 3 going up. So R prime is right here. So you simply draw the line through from the center of enlargement to the object to the image, and we just draw it like this. It should be a broken line to differentiate. So let me just do broken line for here. And then I'm going to draw the triangle. And then we're going to test it to see if it is 2 times using the height and the length or the base. So for PQ, it's 1, 2 boxes. For P prime to Q prime, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 2 times 2. PR would be 1, 2, 3. P prime R prime would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 2 times 3. And there we go, easy cheesy. This activity is when you're given the object and the center of enlargement to expand it or enlarge it. And this is when the scale factor is greater than 1. So when the scale factor is greater than 1, both the object and the image is on the same side of the center of enlargement. And the image is 2 times, because the scale factor is 2, it is 2 times away from the center of enlargement, not the object. It is 2 times from the center of enlargement. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.